Took the house door out. So, good morning. Time to go on with the cafe. More dusty work to do. Goats are enjoying a break from the hot weather. Oh, hello! So our cellar is full with perlite, and this is how it looks. We don't have enough tape and boards right now, so Pep's going to pick up a little bit more. But the boards are down here and here. There's a gap in the toilet. This room is also done and taped. And so yesterday and today we filled in this here, Technic. So boards are going to go down here and then we're going to tape it up. And I'm going to get on with the upstairs. So upstairs is a little bit different. As I mentioned before, it's gravel and cement. And on top of that is going to be the fiberglass. It's like a fiberglass covering. So yeah, and we did this as well now. So all the perlite is in, and just got to seal it in, seal it up, and we can start with the plastic. Plastic will go on top as our kind of waterproof membrane to cover the MDF. And then after the plastic, the steel will come in that will hold it in the pipes for the underfloor heating. So the flower meadow we sowed in is beginning to flower, which is pretty nice. It's getting pretty high. I've begun a side project which is using up the stones that I found on the surface and just creating a little wall along this path. So basically every day I'm just going to grab a few stones and keep extending this and probably raise it a little bit too, so that it's a little bit higher than it is right now. So this one we got done, or I did yesterday. Echoing here, isn't it? Getting more echoey by the day. And this one too. So it's a bright sunny day and time to get taping.
Jeden stillen Schlägermeter vor immer beschädigen lassen. Durchaus kontroversielle Kunst war im Braunau zu finden.
Well, every room is taped up, apart from upstairs. That's the last thing to do. Just taped around the drains and the pipe here a little bit, just so when you walk on it, it doesn't shoot up all the dust. And down here, same story. Just had to use a different tape because I ran out. But it's good. Now we could roll out the plastic, but I'm going to start upstairs again and finish off with the fiberglass boards. Oh yes, horrible itchy stuff. We definitely need a mask for that. Yeah, and I've got a layer of plastic underneath it, which makes it even more difficult because the plastic's like, you can't walk on it because you can put holes in it, and they're supposed to protect it from residue moisture that's in the gravel. Yeah, so what do I need? Some tape, a window opener, maybe. I have a knife. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, the tape, the plastic really slows it down, but I'll show you what I did in one room. So here you have it. Plastic's in. So, yeah. That's just a pain because you have to tape the plastic, of course, together. You have to cut it out where it's too big, which it is because it's only 2 meters wide. So every room is like, you know, 3.5, something weird. And so it's a bit slow, but we shall get there. Today I'm wearing my Gunnison football hat from Britta and John in the US. There you go, you can see it better now. Nice, black hat, good for working. Hello. Building a floor is somehow a little bit like lasagna. There's lots of layers to it. They're all important. Should have some kind of balance. And if you leave one out, it's not lasagna. You know what I mean? So we've been working now for the last week building up these layers of the floor. Right, you saw with the perlite, and then we put in the MDF boards, which we taped up around, kind of keep the perlite in place, keep everything nice and sealed up. And then we put a plastic layer on top of the MDF to keep it protected from the wet concrete that's coming on. And now we're putting in steel like grid sheets, which we're going to be able to connect or tie the underfloor heating pipes to. And once that is done and the pipes are in and we've opened up all of the connections that we need to do, so we're going to have to drill a few holes in the walls to put the pipe through, then the floor concrete, the estrich, can be poured, and that is going to come on Monday next week. Today's Friday. We haven't even started with the steel yet, so we've got a bit of work to do over the weekend to get that done. Got a delivery from Pipe Life, which means lots of underfloor heating pipes, lots of steel, and yeah, some other bits and bobs that we need for connecting the pipes. And once we're completely finished with the plastic and we're done with the bathrooms, because in the bathrooms and under the oven area we're putting in XPS boards, which is a bit more stable, holds a bit more weight, and that's all covered with plastic. Then we can start laying this stuff.